Okay, so let's move on to lead generation naman. So pagdating sa lead generation, kailangan meron ka ng mga skills na to. So isa-isahin ko na. So first is core lead generation skills. One is prospecting. This is your ability to identify and target potential customers using tools like LinkedIn, ZoomInfo, Apollo, and other platforms as well. So it's really important that you know how to prospect and identify the target lead for your client. Next is research skills. So why is it important? Kailangan marunong tayo mag-research, right? So this is your strong capability in researching companies and decision makers to personalize outreach. Kasi pag nag-lead generation ka, so hahanapin mo yung mga target leads for the company that you are working with or for the brand that you are working with. So alam mo dapat kung sino yung mga decision makers, okay? And data management. So skilled in managing and maintaining clean and accurate lead data in the CRM tools like Salesforce or HubSpot. And kami naman yung ginagamit namin is Pipedrive. So, depende kasi yan sa client na makukuha nyo kung ano yung tools or CRM na ginagamit nila. And another thing is sales and marketing knowledge. So under the sales and marketing knowledge, we have three. One is understanding buying persona. So ito yung knowing how to define and target ideal customers profile. So sa profile pa lang kasi nila, dapat alam mo na kung if they are aligned dun sa brand and then sa company na pinagtatrabahuan mo. Yung service ba, yung profile ba ng isang client ay angkop ba doon sa hinahanap nyo na lead. So, number 2 is sales funnel knowledge. Actually, ito naman is kapag talagang gumagamit ng CRM. So, para sa amin naman, hindi ako gumagamit ng sales funnel, pero sa iba, yes. So, it's really important as well na alam nyo, okay? And outbound and inbound marketing. So you know how to support or implement strategies for both inbound and outbound lead generation. So ito naman sa amin nangyayari kasi is we have sales representative agent na kumakausap sa mga lead na nakukuha namin. So it's more on my task is appointment settling So ako yung nagbo-book, dapat makapag-book ako ng appointment with the target lead and bahala na si sales representative na kumausap ng. But along that, you should really know how to support them. And dapat yung nabubook mo din na lead, pasok nga dun sa criteria na hinahanap. And communication interpersonal skills. So under this is we have 3. First is cold emailing and calling. So eto naman sa akin, sabi ko nga wala akong calls. So pero sa mga calls dyan, kailangan to. Next would be follow-up strategy. So, kailangan talaga marunong din tayo mag-follow up sa ating mga lead kasi napaka-importante na marunong tayong mag-follow up sa kanila natin na pushy and salesy way. So, dapat professional kasi yung mga nasa LinkedIn ay mga professional yun. Okay? And active listening. So, ito naman pag may call. So, kailangan talaga is marunong tayong umintindi at mag-take note ng mga sinasabi ng lead nyo para hindi kayo paulit-ulit, okay? For the technical and analytical skills, so ito yung CRM proficiency. So, kailangan maalam din kayo sa CRM na ginagamit nyo sa client nyo kasi syempre, dapat alam nyo kung paano yun i-navigate, okay? Marketing automation, ito naman kapag gumagamit mga automation yung mga client nyo or yung client nyo. Hindi kami gumagamit ng automation, so hindi ko to naranasan. Data analysis, ito naman ay kami simple lang naman yung report. Ilan yung booking, ilan yung nag-show up, and that's it. So, dapat alam mo mag-analyze nun dun sa CRM. Okay? A/B and testing, ito hindi ko to, ito A/B and testing, so testing different outreach messages, subject lines, landing pages for performance improvement. So, ito, kasi meron naman na talaga kaming naka-ready na mga scripts or mga messages. But, we are testing it on a weekly basis or sometimes daily basis, lalo na kapag hindi kami nakakakuha ng booking or appointment sa isang lead. So, it's really important for you how to test those scripts, subject lines, messages, kasi napaka-importante para makakuha kayo ng booking. Okay? Creative and strategic thinking. So, under this, meron 3. Content creation, strategic targeting, and problem solving. So, first is content creation. So, ability to create or collaborate on lead magnets like white papers, case studies, or landing pages. So, on my case, hindi ko siya ginagawa kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, it's more nakafocus kami sa appointment. Pero yung iba, yes, kailangan po nilang gumawa ng mga lead magnets, ganyan. So, hindi ko siya alam, okay? Strategic targeting, ito naman yung magdi-develop kayo mga tailored strategies for specific industries, roles, or buyer personas. Kasi dapat iba-iba din yung magiging approach nyo pagdating sa iba-ibang industry. So, problem solving, addressing objections, and finding ways to re-engage cold or lost leads. So, yes, this is very important because along the way, you will be encountering a lot of rejections, a lot of objections, a lot of lost leads, which you really need to solve it by your own or on your own. Kasi nga, how can you really re-engage to them para mag-book ulit sila ng call or kumuha sila ng subscription sa aming company. Okay, and lastly, the soft skills that you need is 1, 2, 3. So 1 is persistence and resilience. Yes, because you will be handling a lot of rejection, sabi ko nga kanina. And kailangan napupus nyo pa din yung mga qualified leads nyo na mag-proceed sa call. So nakabantay talaga doon. Time management. So you should know how to prioritize kung ano yung kailangan na gawin for today, and then sino ba yung mga dapat unahin na lead, sino ba yung dapat unang i-follow up, sino ba yung dapat i-prioritize for the outreach. And collaboration. So you will be working closely with sales, marketing, and product teams to align on lead generation goals. So kami, we have a sales representative and customer service. So we are working closely together kapag may mga questions kami, pag may mga clarification. So of course, kailangan na marunong tayo, no? Meron tayong collaboration with the team members. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko about my niche. Malayo na yung nasabi ko. I think it's already 15 minutes. But, yeah, just to let you know, that's my niche. Thank you so much for watching.